To host somebody, you go to your channel, go to your chat, and then /host, and then type in the person you want to host. So in this case, we'll go with Devil Rav TV. Click enter, and immediately his channel will be on your channel. So anybody that visits you will now see that you're hosting this person. They can then go and check out that person. Another great way to share the love and host is go to your avatar on the top right, click Create a Dashboard, go to Preferences, go to Channel, and scroll down to Auto Host. This is where you can add a list of people to an auto host list. So, when you're asleep or when you're not streaming, this can help support all your favorite streamers and friends. You can click host by priority from the list. If you click here, you can add people directly by typing, or if they're in a list from people you've been watching, you can click add. You can remove from here straight away, or you can re-add, and then later on you can go into this list and delete and remove from here. So another great way of sharing the love. A third way of hosting is to go on back to your Google Chrome and put Better TV. Search for this. Go to Better TV, TTV. Download the Chrome extension or whatever browser source you are using, and click download. Once that is, add the extension, add to Chrome, add extension, and this adds it, as you can see in the top right. If you wanted to remove it, you can remove it from this page, or you can just right click the actual extension and it will give you the option to remove the extension. Then go back, click your avatar onto it, and you'll see Better TTV settings. In this, you've got settings to automatically have theater mode. You can check out emotes. You can add emotes to your channel from here. You can hide bits. You can do all sorts. But most importantly, you have a host button option. And if you tick this, and I fully recommend you do, you'll have a host and unhost button underneath.